There was one cutting out, sitting on the front of the roof. I didn't see. Unless that's a stray. Yep. There's one just trying to keep up. I don't know. Might be a hen with an egg, ready to lay an egg. I don't know. First, I gotta separate the male cocks and hens. Fly a little better, but like I said, they're ready for road training. This is why I fly birds. It's like having 30, 40, 50 radio controlled planes. Except you actually don't have full control, but stray. That's where the hawks live, right there in those trees. Yesterday I got hit. Might have been a young hawk. I got hit 3 times. And the hawk tried to grab the bird, and I whistled, and the hawk smashed right into the fence. I'll show you after these birds pass. Yeah, he came in from the trees there, and he came across the back of the loft, and right behind the shed there, boom, he smashed into the fence. And he let the bird go.